company called Armored CyberGlass has developed the first bulletproof glass upgrade for Cybertruck. The company claimed that this is the best armored glass in the world, specifically designed for Cybertruck, with a ballistic rating 3A. The company claims this is the thinnest and lightest glass in the world. For 8 windows it costs whopping $40,000. It offers protection against multiple rounds from calibers such as .25, .32, .38, 9mm, .40, and .45. Despite common misconceptions, the Tesla Cybertruck's factory windows are not bulletproof. While the vehicle's exterior is designed to withstand significant impact and showcases impressive durability, its windows remain standard glass. This company provides truly bulletproof windows that match the Cybertruck's armored build.